Hello, my name is Selvin Garcia and this is a special homework to Technical Language 2. I have to talk about a process that is made in my career. Well, I'm studying Science and Systems and I'm going to talk about an algorithm. Well, an algorithm is in logical mathematics is a series of steps that we have to do to make a task. For example, when we solve an equation, we have to follow a series of steps to find the value of the variable that we want to know. For example, when we make a sum, we have to a series of steps that we have to do. That is an algorithm. Well, I'm going to make an example to explain more how we can make a graphic of that algorithm. We have here the parts, some figures that is included in the algorithms. We have an ellipse that is going to say the start of the end of our algorithm, and parallelogram that is going to be to input data or variables included, a rhombus that is going to make conditionals or decisions, a square that is going to make the processes, and the figure to output data. These are some of the a few figures that we have to make a graphic algorithm. Well, now we know the figures that we can have in a graphic algorithm, and we are going to use it to explain a process of that. It's a very simple example, but is the perfect example to explain how an algorithm works. We're going to input a variable, two variables with a value. We have a condition. If x is equal to 0, the algorithm is going to make a task, and if x is not equal to 0, the algorithm is going to make other task. We want to know to see it now in the next graphic that is going to appear now. Well, we have here the graphic. Now we are going to explain this example very quickly. We have the ellipse that is going to mean the start of our algorithm. Then we have the parallelogram when we input data. We have three variables: x that has a value of 3, y that has a value of 5, and the variable a. Well, we have the values. Then the algorithm makes a condition. If x is equal to 0, if this condition success, we are going to show a message. The answer is 0 because the process is a multiplication, and if x is equal to 0, the answer is going to be 0. We don't need a process. But if x is not equal of 0, the condition doesn't make, and we are going to be in the other side. The square that is mean a process. What is the process? That a is equal to x per y, and x is equal to 5 and to 3, and y is equal to 5, and we can say that a is equal to 3 per 5. What is that? Then we show a message that says the answer is a, the value of a. What is the value of a? 3 per 5, and this is 15. Then the algorithm is going to end. That is the reason why an algorithm is a process, because we make we follow some steps to make a task. Well, I hope that this this exposition, that video is successful for the special assignment, and thanks to see it.